Everyone, I hope you had a great weekend. So today we're going to learn how to draw a Tyrannosaurus Rex, and Luke was down in my studio earlier today and he asked for this one. So this is my one and this is Luke's one. He's done a really good job because they are not easy. So I'm going to talk you through how to do it. I'll get my marker out and hand the camera over to Millie. So definitely start these with a pencil as always. I'm going to just bring this one down here so that you can see a little bit as I'm doing it. Is that better? And get my marker out and we'll get started. So the first thing we're going to start with on our Tyrannosaurus is his eye. So we're going to draw a C just like that, and inside the C, and you can see where I'm doing it on the page as well, it's quite close to the edge because this is where his head is going to go. So I'm drawing my C and then I'm going to put a little ball inside of it, which is his eyeball, and I'm going to do a little dot inside of it there, and then you can shade that like so if you want, or you can wait to the end and colour it. So maybe if you just wait to the end, that'll be a little bit better. Next thing we're going to do is do his eyebrow. So we want to make him look a little bit angry. So we're just going to trace around it like that. And then we're going to do a little bump for his nose, and then another little bump, and go straight down like that. And then we're going to go in for his mouth, just like so. Now, T-Rexes have a giant muscle just here in their mouth, and that's so that they can chew really hard and everything. So I'm just going to draw that little muscle in first, and then I'm going to draw the bottom of my mouth like so. He looks super happy, doesn't he? Let's make him look less happy. So we're going to give him all different lengths of curved teeth like that. And we're going to give him the same on the bottom. This is super fun. Okay. And then he also needs to be able to breathe. So we're going to give him a nostril on his nose. Little comma. Yeah. Thanks, Millie. So the next thing we're going to do is do the back of his head. So we're going to come out of this little mark we did here and go down. And we're going to draw a little bump just here. And then we're going to draw this part of his back here. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So it's just like a soft mountain going right out to the other edge of your page here. So this is his kind of the top of his back, and this is the back end of his tail. Spine. Yeah, Millie's just going to hold that a bit steady. And then we're going to come in with his tail and go down. And you can even, to make it easier for yourself, just keep going back up as far as his neck. Now he needs some legs. Now you can see in my drawing there's no line going through his leg because I did it in pencil and then I rubbed it out, but you'll see how to do it. So T-Rexes have giant back legs. If anyone has seen Jurassic Park, Jurassic World, they'll know about the sound of those big T-Rex legs. So we have to give them a big thigh and then a big calf, and then what we're going to do is go down and do 1, 2, 3 bumps, and then divide them and put big giant T-Rex claws on it. So that's his back leg, and I've kind of had that pointed out that way so that we can see that he's marching off to eat something. Then we're going to do his front leg. So we're going to do a thigh and a calf and a thigh and a calf, and then we're going to bring out this just like you would do a normal foot, but give 1, 2, 3 little bumps with a claw and a claw, and you can divide those up as well and just add in like little lines like this for muscles. And then T-Rexes also have teeny tiny arms, so we're going to put those in, but to get them started we're going to draw his underbelly. So we're doing a little curve like this up, and I've left a little space here so that I can do his first tiny arm. So I'm going to do tiny upper arm muscle, and then this is his lower arm. We're going to make it into a little fist and just give him little claws. And then we're going to do his other arm, which is coming out from the other side of him, so it's coming out from behind here. So we're going to do a little fist and little claws. And then last detail of drawing is his spiky patterns on his back. So again, do them kind of like his teeth. Some of them are big, some of them are small, just like this. And then you get to colour them in. So you could turn this guy into an Abdominus Rex. Is that what they're called, Luke?
Yeah.
from Jurassic World, or you could leave him just like...
Or you could turn him into blue.
Or blue, yeah, if you wanted. And just add in all your details in your colour and you're done. Okay guys, so that's our T Rex drawing. Enjoy. Bye bye.